Number lines can help us add. As you can see, here's a number line. And they have these little, sometimes you'll see that they have these little triangles at the end. What that means is that the numbers continue on forever and forever, whether they're getting bigger forever and forever or smaller forever and forever. They can go both ways. That's all that it means. You don't need to worry about them, and sometimes you don't even see them. Okay, let's see how these number lines can help us add. First, we start with our first number, the 3. We will plot this number on our number line. On the number 3, put a circle. You're plotting it. You're saying, this is where I'm beginning. Great. Now you're going to go to figure out how many jumps you need. We call this the change. How is it changing? Oh, we're adding 3. So we're jumping 3 more, and the number will get bigger. So it's going to the right. 1, we're jumping 5 more. I'm sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's where I'm going to stop. So I will put a red dot there to tell me stop. This is my answer. Whatever number the tick mark is pointing to. So I will write that number right over here as my answer. And of course, I can double check my answer by using my fingers or drawing a picture. 3 plus 5 equals 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Okay, let's take a look at this problem. Our number sentence or our equation says 1 plus 7 equals blank. To find the answer, we first plot our green number, our beginning number. Number 1, I put a circle on top of that tick mark. Now I know I'm moving to the right, or my number's getting bigger because I see a plus sign. So I need to make 7 jumps bigger or to the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And where I land, that's where I stop. So I can put another dot. And my answer is 8. Okay, let's try another one. My equation or number sentence reads 6 plus 4 equals blank. I know I'm going to begin with 6, so I will plot the number 6. That means make a circle on the number line for 6, your starting number. Then I see that I'm going to add 4 plus 4, or 4 jumps. So with my blue color, just to show the difference, I'm going to jump 4 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4. And where I land is where I stop, and that is where I put a dot. My dot is red because red means stop, and my answer is 10. Now, of course, you can double check using your fingers or drawing a picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I did get the number 10, so I know that is correct. This last page is an extension, so if you feel like the other examples are really easy, easy peasy lemon squeezy, then you can try a harder number line addition problem by making a really long number line from 0 to 20. This helps you add big numbers that are greater than 10. So the same thing happens. We start in the beginning, we plot the number, the first number, or our starting number was 7, and our blue number, or the change, right, plus 12 means we're going to jump 12 times to see what our answer is. And our answer is going to be bigger because in addition, our answer is always bigger. So let's jump 12 times now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If I follow this tick mark down, I see my number is 19. Don't forget, this is where I stop, and my answer is 19. Try the next one on your own. Try this one on your own. 9 plus 5 equals blank. If you want to know the answer, stop the video now and check it out in just a moment. Good job today, my friends. You learned that number lines can help us add.